can hear that, Roger. Does that sound like it's running nicely for you? Got the rev counter to work. I think it's slightly out, but it's not running so fast now. The rev counter's on 1,000, but when you go below, it sounds a bit lumpy, but it doesn't sound so fast now. I think what I'll do is I won't come down to you with the emissions. I'll take the Allen keys with me, and I can always do it at the ITV station. I think what I will do is I'll chuck some cleaner in the tank though, just to make sure. Alright, have a good Sunday, mate. Alright, see you tomorrow morning.